let's face it, if you're inside your editor and you're like me, in this case, I'm using powerdirector. Now, I will let you know I've been using powerdirector forever, but sometimes when people keep updating things, they screw everything up, and things that used to be so simple are now more complicated than ever. And let me show you what I mean, because you might have had this same problem. Here we go. So if you are in powerdirector like me, I am editing another video that I just made, and for some reason I could not figure out for the life of me where the export range option was. So normally you would find it. Normally it used to be that you would go to your timeline, and if you click right here, then normally you would see like a little yellow cursor or a yellow marker that come up, and then you'd be able to drag it right over to where you needed to go. But now this is what I'm faced with. I didn't know what to do. I had to just go look it up, but it's like sometimes it's hard to find videos that cover these little tiny things. So this is a short tutorial for you. You can right click on it and go to select range, all right? And do it that way. That's cool, but that didn't do anything, right? So if you press X on your keyboard, then you will see this pop up. And if you press X again, there's an X here, you can click, it'll go away. But if you press X, now you will see the little part, you can drag it all the way out, all right? And then once you get dragged out, then you can go to export range, and then it's gonna ask you, you know, get all your details set up, your resolution and all that good stuff, and you are good to go. So that is what I was looking for. And while I did not want to have to go through exporting the whole entire video because I'm not finished, there's some other parts down here. So I hope this helped you out at least, because it definitely just did to me.